How to set up Wi-Fi Direct on Canon Pixma TS5151. Step 1. Activate Wi-Fi Direct in your printer settings. Use navigation arrows on the control panel to select Wi-Fi icon. Then press OK. Make sure LAN settings button is selected and press OK one more time. Switch to Wireless Direct. Once again press OK. And press OK one more time to select Wireless Direct active/inactive menu. Switch activation status to on using up arrow. Press OK and wait for success screen. That's it, direct mode is activated. Now select Yes button and press OK on the control panel to display the password information. Check your printer's SSID, in other words, Wi-Fi network name. Then press down arrow a few times to find your Wi-Fi Direct password. Write down or remember your password and press OK. Anytime in Wireless Direct settings, you can see your password in Wireless Direct setting list. Press OK. Select Yes and press OK. And here is your information.